Will a baking soda and powdered sugar mixture stain or damage household surfaces? Baking soda is a mild alkaline powder that is non-staining on most materials and will not chemically bleach or etch common surfaces when used dry and removed promptly. For carpets and upholstery, allow the powder to sit long enough to absorb odors or moisture, then vacuum thoroughly using multiple passes to extract fine particles. If the pile feels slightly abrasive after treatment, brush gently with a soft bristle brush in the direction of the nap to restore texture. On hard floors such as tile or sealed wood, sweep or vacuum first, then wipe with a damp microfiber cloth to pick up residual dust. Avoid leaving the powder to sit in grout lines for extended periods and rinse the cloth often. For unsealed wood, stone, or delicate finishes, test the mixture in an inconspicuous spot and limit contact time to a few minutes, because trapped grit can cause microabrasion if rubbed hard. If powdered sugar is present, it can attract ants or other pests if not removed completely, so follow with vacuuming and a damp wipe to eliminate any sweet residue. When treating textiles that cannot be vacuumed easily, like lampshades or delicate drapery, use a soft brush over a tray to lift powder away rather than beating or shaking the fabric, which can drive particles deeper into fibers. Common concerns include staining from residual powder, abrasive damage from rubbing particles, and pest attraction from powdered sugar. Residual powder that looks like a stain is usually just surface residue, so vacuum and then wipe with a damp cloth. Repeat if needed and allow to air dry. Abrasive damage happens when grit is scrubbed into delicate finishes, so avoid vigorous scrubbing and use gentle brushing or blotting instead. If microabrasion occurs, a light polishing with a recommended product for that surface can help. Pest attraction is prevented by removing sugary residue promptly and storing treated items in sealed containers if necessary. If you see ant activity, clean the area with a dilute vinegar solution to remove scent trails. We built bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around practical project needs like surface cleaning and simple repairs. On our site, we help homeowners find local professionals and we help contractors find work. And we host a discussion community where people share real experiences, tips, and contractor recommendations.